How to fix Pinterest not opening on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Pinterest not opening on Android phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to Play Store and then type here Pinterest, and then just check if there's any update and then update your Pinterest. And after that go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then apps again, and click Pinterest. And first thing you need to do here is to click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache. Now restart your phone and try again, but if that also doesn't fix your problem, so just come back here to storage and clear data and click OK, and your problem will be fixed, but you will need to log in again to your accounts. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.